Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope very well. So it's Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's challenge is chili, except I'm not making chili, I'm making chicken a la king. I was watching Mike Crusher reviews, which I'll do a shout out for. I'll probably put them in the description, but it won't work, so it might be at the end. He was doing a review, chicken a la king MRE, and I commented like, man, I haven't had chicken a la king in years. Like literally years. I don't think I've ever made it. So I'm gonna make it tonight because it'll be a challenge for me because I've never made it before. So let's get, excuse me, let's get busy. So I got some chicken thighs here. I really liked baking them in a skillet and then chopping them up and adding to the meal. So that's what I'm gonna do, just like last time. Chicken, salt, slap your mama. Garlic powder. Alright, to go under my chicken a la king, I'm making yogurt biscuits. That way I gotta make fresh biscuits to do that, and I love this yogurt recipe. I've made several times on my channel. In fact, sometimes on the weekend I'll just come out and I'll make biscuits to go with my bacon and eggs. I knew when I was going to make this, I knew I had to make yogurt biscuits. Because I do love these. They don't have to be perfectly uniformed because I'm just going to dump a bunch of chicken a la king on top of them, so. A little bit big, but that's totally fine. Right, so I got my Dutch oven. I'm going to put the heat under it. And I'm going to put some butter in here because I'm going to make a roux right inside the pot. No, I can't do roux yet. Okay, I got to in reverse order. First I got to saute mushrooms. And when the mushrooms are done, then I can add the butter, then the flour, then make the roux. So, a little, oop. A little salt and garlic powder in there. Just because, a little sloppy mama. Yes, we're doing things a little differently. Seriously, bro? tis done. Alright, mushrooms are my doneness, where I like them to be done. Throw that butter back in there, get my flour out. My carrots are starting to cook. I just like the way they come out when you cook them better. Some things are just better when you do them yourself, like carrots and mushrooms, but sometimes with like peas are a little bit more consistent. I think you get a different flavor profile out of your vegetables when you cook them separately too, which is why I suspect, you know, a lot of little kids don't like vegetables because they don't like the way they're cooked. Not that they don't like them, they don't enjoy the way they're cooked. So I've had some vegetables that were just cooked to death and I just hated them. It's like, these are terrible. So I didn't want to eat them. They just didn't taste very good. Oh. Okay. Add some flour. Hopefully not too much. And make a roux out of it. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, I get the wrong stock. That's why. I need my chicken stock. I'm basically making like a gravy. Carrots are looking real good. Just have to eat one to see if they're done all the way. Still a little bit of crunch, but I like it. Cut up. Alright, carrots got a little bit done in the pan, but ow. Go ahead and throw them in there. A little char never hurt anybody. They weren't like super charred, so. Alright, now I'm going to add half and half. Oh, let's throw it all in there. And then the last ingredient, frozen peas. There we go. And I'm going to leave that on medium-low heat. And I got just under 12 minutes. Let that sit and simmer. Actually made quite a bit more than I thought I was going to, but that's alright. So tomorrow's leftovers is going to be chicken al king. Sweet. Yum. Biscuits can come out. Oh yeah, look at those beautiful biscuits. Oh, dude. Love me some biscuits. Preheated oven. Put my cast iron in there and let it do its thing. Let's get to dishing. I put that nice big biscuit on there. I'm not gonna bother breaking them open. Of course, this will thicken a lot more as it sits, but I'm just gonna ladle that right over the top. Oh man, you could do this with rice. Rice would be good because it would have soaked up all the liquid. I'll be eating well next couple days. And I get to make fresh new biscuits tomorrow. Camera seems a little crooked. I don't know, let's give it a taste. Because the butter and the biscuits, the bottoms are always really crunchy. Maybe I can show you one here in a second. Let's try it without burning my face off. Get a little piece of carrot in there too. No chicken though, but... And wow, it's hot. Mmm. That's what I mean by the brown. That is freaking delicious. Really good. Yeah, I never made it before either. Easy to make. Well, the underside of the plate is really hot. Well, yeah, I'm gonna sit down and eat this. That way I can put the plate down. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your view. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be down in the description. Big thanks to Sean at Shovelhead8 for the continuing to upload these and put them on the playlist, and also putting up a video every week. So appreciate your hard work, brother. I don't think we give you enough praise. And links will be down below. Have any questions, comments, let me know in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you next week.